Hi guys, I just wanted to share some better directions for this vocab stuff. We worked out the kinks in my first period class, so here are some better directions. So let's just go over the vocabulary words that you need to know for this week. I'm going to go over definition, give you some examples, and then I'm going to show you how to do your assignment. So our first word is pandemonium, which is a noun, which would be a person, place, thing, or idea. Don't forget that's what nouns are. Pandemonium is a thing. It means wild and noisy disorder or confusion, uproar. In my mind, it also means like chaos and just craziness. Some other really great words that I've heard for it would be like mayhem or madness, okay? So pandemonium, an example would be like me walking into the hallway and seeing just kids running and screaming everywhere in the hallway, okay? That is pandemonium. I think of a Diary of a Wimpy Kid and the cheese touch, when kids are just running to get away from whoever has the cheese touch and they're screaming and it's just like a stampede. Pandemonium, think like Jumanji kind of too, okay? The second word that we're going to go over is solemnly. Solemnly is an adverb, which means it's how you do something. It explains how you do it. So this means like in a serious or sad manner without any smile or any joy. So when you're grounded, you're solemnly sitting in your room. You're just kind of bummed out. If you get a bad grade on an assignment or a test or a project and you just sit in class and just think about it and you're just solemnly sitting there. So notice I'm not saying, oh, I am solemnly after my test. No, you're solemnly sitting somewhere. Make sure it modifies the verb. It tells me how I'm doing that. Those are your two vocabulary words. Now I want to show you how to get into your assignment. So my good friend Aman in first period let me borrow his buzz. So you're going to click into your class. Obviously that'll be second or sixth period, maybe first period. You're going to find week 14, okay? In week 14, it says click here for your copy of vocabulary assignment. So you're going to click there. It's going to open this. This video will be right there, okay, shortly. But then you're going to click this link right here. This link is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. You will make a copy of this assignment. So click make a copy. You have to be signed. You have to be signed into your school email account or any Gmail account in order to access this. So what you are going to do is you're going to click on these slides that have these 4 squares. And what you're going to do is you're going to add to it. So definition in your own words of pandemonium. Okay, I don't want you to copy and paste this. I want you to literally write it right here. So craziness or chaos. Okay, ooh, that's not how I spell chaos, sorry. Okay, that's how I would put it in my own words. If you wanted to change the font, cool, just make sure I can read it. Use the word correctly in a sentence. So you're going to put it there, okay? And so I could say, I walked out into the hallway to see complete pandemonium over who stole Mr. Elding's cookies. Okay. Again, if you wanted to create the text box, you just click this little T right here. Then I'm going to give a synonym or an antonym. If you don't know what those are, synonyms are going to be words that mean the same. Antonyms are going to be words that mean different. Okay. So synonym, I will literally just make sure you label it. So synonym, I will literally just put chaos, mayhem, madness, okay? Antonym, it's going to be the opposite, and you should probably spell it right too, Mrs. Nugent Cheese, okay? So it will be like quiet or calm. I don't want to see the exact same answers I have either, right? So be creative. And then last but not least, I have a picture. So here, you can go up to insert, image, search the web, okay? So here, think of an example of pandemonium, okay? So maybe it's stampede. Okay. All right, so I might say, all right, this looks like complete pandemonium. All right, these horses just everywhere. So I click insert. It might be bigger, so I'll have to resize it and pull it down here. You can put in another one. Maybe you want to put in like the lines at Black Friday sometimes where people just like push each other over to get that TV, or maybe this year's toilet paper, right? But that would be pandemonium. So you're also going to complete this for solemnly, okay? you're going to just add those text boxes in, okay? And it's right there. Then I need you guys to listen on how to do this. Some people are attaching it as Google Doc. Just make sure that I have access to it. So you'll go up to share, okay? Do not type in my email here. Right here, you will just change this to anyone, you'll change this one to anyone with a link, okay? That's fine. The way that I really want you to do it, though, is File, then go to Download, and go to PDF, okay? PDF. It will download on your computer. Then what you'll do is you'll go back to your class, you'll scroll down here, and you'll click this blue plus sign, attach a file, choose, okay? Then your computer should walk you through this. So like mine, it comes up with all my downloads. Give it a second to load because it will come up with this. So there it is right there. Select, and then I can upload it, okay? So then it's right there, and then I would just click submit my work. Do not just comment on it. Don't do that. That doesn't give me your work. I need your work in order to grade it, okay? After you're done with your vocabulary, what you guys are going to do is you will go back to that week 14 folder. You need to read the prologue through chapter 3. If you wanted to read it, right here is the document that has all of the chapters on it. You'll just click through. There's before the story, so you'll read. Or if you would rather listen, the audio files are right here, Maniac McGee audio files, okay? So you can listen. Those are just videos. Then you will complete your show it, okay? You have to read in order to get a good grade on that show it. Take your time. A little helpful hint for your show it. Don't forget, in your exposition, you meet your characters, your setting, and your conflict, okay? If you need any help, please go ahead and email me and let me know.